Hello guys, in this video I will guide you guys how to use the K6edge Pro, this blue model. This is the new model. The difference between the K6edge Pro and the K6edge is this K6edge Pro model, it has an outside vacuum pump. This is the outside vacuum pump. So the basic operation of this machine actually the same like the other one. The only difference is when you use this machine, you have to connect this outside vacuum pump with K6edge Pro. So here is the power cable. This power cable you have to plug here, okay? Plug with the machine here. And here, this is the vacuum hose. This vacuum hose you have to connect on the back, okay? And you tight, just normal tight these screws. Okay, that's it. Also make sure this switch, power switch should be always on. This is on, this is off. Okay, make sure it always on because this motor, this pump, it controlled by the machine. Okay, so make sure this is important. And you have to fill the oil. With the pump, we did not ship oil because the oil is liquid. We cannot ship by the the regular express like DHL, we cannot ship it. So when you get a machine, just buy the vacuum pump oil from your market. You can buy from eBay or from your market. Just search vacuum pump oil. You can find them very easily and the cost is not expensive. You just add the fuel from here. You open here. You open here, you add the fuel. When you add the fuel, make sure the fuel level between the minimum and the maximum, okay? Don't put the oil more than the maximum. It's not good for the machine. And also don't be less than the minimum. Just like the medium, okay? This is very important. The other operation, the basic operation is the same. If you, in this video I will not show you guys, but you can go to the K6edge, go to the website, find the K6edge. You can find the video from the help in the page of K6edge. You can find the video there. The other is the same, okay? So thank you guys for watching.